Hello guys, this is Creative Mary T. If you've watched my previous video, you will know that I've tried to make handmade paper from paper scraps and that I was terribly excited about my results and what I managed to obtain was this type of papers, blank like this with various plants, lavender, tea extract, planty stuff. Yeah, so after I managed to play a bit with paper and with the idea of handmade stuff, I was left with the paper and I didn't know what I could do about it. So I was like, I have this paper. I worked a bit to make it and to leave it to dry, and well, it wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard, but well. And I was like, what could I do with this paper? What use could I find for it so I wouldn't waste my recycled paper? So while I was thinking about this, I was like, February, March, here comes the month of celebrating women and celebrating spring and everything. What if I would do something in the spirit of spring? So I was suddenly feeling a rush of excitement when I was thinking about that, and I had some materials around me, dried flowers. This is something I made with epoxy. So this is what I managed to do. I think it's quite nice. I was surprised by the result, as I was surprised about the paper. And well, let me take them step by step and explain it to you. Let's start with I'll leave my favorite last. This one I had a sea star. I don't know from where I got it, I just found it, and this piece of textile, I took it from a souvenir, something like that, I don't quite remember, and I glued the star with epoxy. So as you can see, it ain't moving. This is stuck here, and I was thinking if it would be a good idea to sprinkle some salt. I had some Himalayan salt, but I was like, I tried, but I didn't like it. So I was like, nah, I think I'm gonna keep it simple this time. So as you can see, I just used this glue and I put this thing here, and it was pretty easy. I really like the result, and I'm pretty satisfied with the outcome, and I think it suits the natural paper, the recycled paper. I also had some bling bling, uh, rhinestone flowers, and but I thought to myself, well, if I use a recycled paper made by me, wouldn't it be a waste to put just metal on top of it? Why not use natural materials on natural paper? So that's the reason why all of these little souvenirs are with natural materials. So yep, I like this one. It's simple and it's pretty nice. Let's get to the next one. This one, well, as you can see, I have a piece of a leaf, a dried leaf, and this epoxy flowery stuff. I took a piece of wood and I drilled a hole, and then I used glitter, flour, and I covered it all with epoxy and let it dry. I also find this very beautiful. I loved the natural earthy feeling that I have when I look at this. It's just beautiful. Okay, this one. With this one, I stapled a lot of the paper. It's also from a bouquet of flowers that I kept. And I don't know if you can tell, but these are rose petals, and actually, now that I think about it, here where you see the flowers, you could have seen the yellowish, orangish hue of the rose petal, but I had to put this flower so it's covered up. But it's really nice. I love this one. It's only that I can't really touch a lot of the flower because petals will drop. So yeah, something like that. I like this one. Maybe it's not that colorful, but I love the natural look. Okay, this is another one. This first started with one seashell, but I was thinking, that looks kind of a long way. let's put a friend. So I've put two seashells and a piece of I don't know, a leaf, and here I have Himalayan salt. I wanted to imitate the sand. It's a musical souvenir, and I glued it. I put epoxy and I put Himalayan salt, and I left it like this. So it was it's nice. I love the color. I love this is like a greenish turquoise-ish stuff. And I love the look. I love how it looks. I really do. So the last but not least, my favorite one is this one. Yep, this is my favorite. I really like it. It's it's actually it's the first one that I've made. So when I was thinking what to do with this kind of paper, how to use it, I was like, I think a bouquet of flowers would work perfectly. So I put to good use some dried flowers, clipped them in, bam, 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 and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is my favorite one. I love the combination of green and burgundy. These used to be red, but I put them to dry, and now they look more like burgundy rather than red. But I enjoy it a lot, and these dried flowers look perfect. So I really like this one. I think I don't know about you guys, but I would like me personally, I would like to receive such a pretty little gift. I mean, it doesn't look very refined, it doesn't look like something you bought from a store, but the texture, the intention, the look, it's very natural, and I really like this kind of things. I know there are a lot of ideas of how you could do this type of things, but I worked with what I had, and what I had was natural materials. So I don't know, maybe you could try to. I think you could do this also on a piece of paper, like, but more like, I don't know, a textured kind of paper. It doesn't have to be recycled paper or something like that. And I think you would surprise yourself with what you can achieve by trying these kind of things out. I think it's fun, and it's very relaxing, and that you could really make your day a little bit better by trying your creative skills. I definitely had a lot of fun playing around with this. So let me know if you like this, and feel free to share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.